Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about weighted average. So, we have always heard about the term average. Today, we will find out the difference between average and weighted average. So, let's start with the formula first. So, the formula for a weighted average is W. W is equal to x1 W1 plus x2 W2 plus x3 W3 plus xn Wn whole divided by W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus Wn. So now what are these terms? This capital W is called the weighted average. So this is the weighted average. N denotes the number of terms. Number of terms. X denotes the data values. X is the data values. And W is the weight applied to X value. Weights applied to X values. So this is the formula for weighted average. So according to our this table shown over here, X is the scores and W is the weight. Okay, now let's start with a formula in Excel. So to calculate the weighted average in Excel, we will use this formula. So we said is equals to bracket open. We said x1 into w1. So x1 into w1 plus x2 into w2 plus x3 into w3 plus x4 into w4. Now I'll put this numerator in brackets. This is whole divided by the sum of the weights, that is w1 plus w2 plus w3 plus w4. This gives the answer as 69.9. Now imagine we had a list of scores and weights. Imagine you had more than 5 or 10, you had a list. Now you can't go multiplying each cell by each cell and adding that sum. Because it will be very lengthy, we can use some inbuilt functions of Excel to ease our work. So we will use sum product and sum function. So is equals to sum product, select the first array, comma, select the second array, braces closed, divided by, use the sum function now, sum of weights. This also gives the same as answer 69.9. So you have seen that using sum product and sum, it becomes very easy to calculate average. Now let's see if we just calculate average, what would be the answer? Is equals to average it gives 58.5. So there is a huge difference between average and weighted average. So average is used when each score has a equal weightage. So if every score had a equal weightage, we could use average. But when each score or each quantity, in our case we have score, but in general terms we will use the term quantity. So when each data value or each quantity has a different weightage to it, then we use the weighted average. So I hope this is clear. It is easy to calculate weighted average in Excel by using sum product and the sum function. If you still have any doubts regarding the sum product or sum function, you can let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on these formulas for sum product. I hope this helps you. Let me know in the comment section how you find this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.